Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, I am going to inform you about Residents Welfare Association, that is the RWA, and then the Apartment Owner Association, that is AOA, and also about the Allottee Association, that is also another AOA actually. First of all, let us talk about Resident Welfare Association. A Resident Welfare Association is an association of the homeowners where the houses are developed on a plot, and such association is called Resident Welfare Association. The bylaws that are framed by them is as per their wish. They themselves impose the regulations and everything, they themselves frame it, and there is no model bylaw under it. The state government does not regulate the model bylaws that are framed by the Residents Welfare Association. It is registered by the societies of registrar only, and its obligation or duty is to ensure the welfare of all the houses that are its members. This is only applicable to such houses which are constructed on plot and are of individual ownership. Now let us talk about Apartment Owners Association. When it comes to Apartment Owner Association, it can be said that it is a statutory body which is recognized by a statute. It is recognized, or the law applicable to it is given under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. It is not a voluntary body but a mandatory body which has to be formed by the apartment owners of any building where there are more than 4 apartments, irrespective of who has developed such building. A building may have been developed either by the development authority, by the municipal corporation, by panchayat, by a cooperative society, or by a private builder. Irrespective of all that, if there are more than 4 apartments in a building, an apartment owner association has to be formed. These apartment owner association have got many rights under the Apartment Act, like imposition of the common expenses, regulation of their meetings, how they will conduct their meetings, how will they conduct themselves, how will they impose the common expenses, how will they collect the common expenses. They also have been given a statutory right under the bylaws that on transfer of every apartment they are going to get at least 0.5% of the transfer amount. So this apartment owner association is quite much more not powerful, but we can say that it is quite much more recognized by the law as compared to the Residents Welfare Association. Also, this apartment owner association is formed once there are more than 33% of the apartments occupied, meaning thereby the possession has been granted and people are residing in the project. Now the third association is the Allottee Association. The Allottee Association is recognized or is mentioned under the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act. The Allottee Association is formed as soon as the majority of the flats or plots in a real estate project are booked by the developer or the promoter of such real estate project. This Allottee Association has been formed so as to ensure the welfare of all the allottees of such project. They can check if any delay is happening in the project. They can check that by filing application before the RERA, or if there is any manipulation in the escrow account of the project, they can also they can complain before the RERA. If the project is getting delayed, or if the builder is is not completing the project, and if there is a situation where the deregistration of the project is called for, then the Allottee Association is given a right to complete the project. So overall, this Allottee Association, its life or tenure is from the day the majority of the apartments have been booked till the day the Apartment Owner Association has been formed by the apartment owners. This is also a registered society and it must be registered. So this is all with respect to these RWA, Allottee Association and Apartment Owner Association. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with me during this video.